In our digital age, a yearning for nature pervades. Instagram showcases our planet's beauty. Faceless nature reels captivate audiences. These videos offer tranquility amidst digital noise. How are these reels made? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. AI tools like Leonardo.ai transform text into visuals. Type words and see your vision materialize. This fusion opens up endless possibilities. No longer is specialized equipment a barrier. With imagination and tools, anyone can share nature's wonders. This pursuit can be more than a hobby, it can be a fulfilling venture. With a captivating image ready, the next step is infusing it with life. Leonardo.ai simplifies this process with its built-in animation feature. By selecting this option, you can transform your static image into a dynamic scene. Watch as clouds drift across the sky, waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear pools, or flowers sway gently in the breeze. The platform allows for further customization, enabling you to adjust the speed and intensity of the animation. Experiment with different settings to achieve the desired effect. For instance, a slow, subtle animation might be perfect for conveying tranquility, while a faster, more dramatic animation could evoke the raw power of a thunderstorm. If you're seeking even more control over the animation process, consider exploring dedicated tools like Immersity. While Immersity is a paid service, it offers advanced features and capabilities that can elevate your animations to the next level. Remember, the goal is to create a visually engaging experience that draws viewers in. By carefully animating your AI-generated images, you can transform them from static snapshots into captivating stories. While short, impactful animations are effective, extending the duration of your reels can further enhance their appeal. One simple yet effective technique is to duplicate your animated clip multiple times within your video editing software. For instance, duplicating a 10-second clip 20 times can result in a 200-second or 3 minutes and 20 seconds video, providing ample time to showcase the beauty of your animation. To ensure a seamless viewing experience, incorporate smooth transitions between these duplicated segments. Most video editing apps, like the popular CapCut, offer a variety of transitions to choose from. Experiment with different transitions to find ones that complement your content and maintain viewer engagement. Additionally, consider increasing the playback speed of your animations if you find the extended duration makes the video feel too slow. This technique can create a more dynamic and visually stimulating experience, especially for scenes involving fast-moving elements like waterfalls or clouds. Don't forget the power of sound. Selecting trending background music can significantly enhance the immersive quality of your reels. Use royalty-free music libraries or explore platforms like Epidemic Sound to find tracks that complement the mood and theme of your creations. Now that you've mastered the art of crafting captivating nature reels, it's time to explore monetization. Offer freelance video creation services to enhance online presence. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Sell your nature reels as stock footage on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. High-quality reels can generate passive income. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Engage with your audience and join creator communities. With dedication and creativity, turn your passion into profit.